If you have ever wanted to capture breathtaking, cinematic aerial footage without the headache of massive, heavy equipment or complicated flight regulations, then you need to see what this drone can do. The DJI Mini 4K is the ultimate tool for travelers, content creators, and hobbyists who want high-end performance in a package that fits right in the palm of your hand. Weighing in at under 249 grams, this drone completely bypasses the need for complex registrations in many regions, making it the perfect grab-and-go companion for your next hike, vacation, or creative project. Click the link below for the best price, and let's jump into why this tiny beast is the gold standard for aerial photography. The standout feature here is the precision-engineered camera system mounted on a professional-grade 3-axis mechanical gimbal. While standard drones rely on shaky software stabilization that ruins your footage, the Mini 4K uses physical hardware to keep your shots buttery smooth, even when the drone is banking hard or fighting against strong winds. You get stunning 4K UHD video at 30 frames per second that is crisp, vibrant, and packed with detail. Whether you're zooming in with the 4x digital zoom to frame a mountain peak or capturing a wide, sweeping sunset shot, the results are consistently professional. One of the biggest anxieties for drone pilots is losing signal or running out of power, but DJI has completely solved that with their O2 transmission technology. This powerhouse keeps a rock-solid, crystal-clear video feed from up to 10 kilometers away, giving you massive confidence to fly further and explore more of the horizon than ever before. With 31 minutes of max flight time on a single charge, you have plenty of time to find the perfect angle, recompose your shot, and bring it back home safely. Safety is baked into every single flight thanks to an intelligent suite of features, including a reliable auto return-to-home function and wind resistance that keeps the drone stable in gusts up to 38 kilometers per hour. It is incredibly easy to fly, even for total beginners, meaning you can stop worrying about crashing and start focusing on capturing the perfect content. If you are ready to start filming the world from a completely new perspective without breaking the bank or lugging around a massive backpack, this is the drone for you. Click the link below to grab the best price. Drop a comment letting me know what destination you would fly this to first, and I will see you in the next one.